So what's the best way to prevent pregnancy? Did you know that our camp has an information center where you can learn more about things like pregnancy and get sexual and reproductive health services? What center? This is a center that provides access to safe abortion services, contraceptives, antenatal and postnatal care, management of HIV and sexually transmitted infection treatment, as well as breastfeeding and more. We can go and get information on any matter that concerns our body and health and interests us. Let's go! Hello, thank you very much for visiting our information center. We know that young people have lots of questions about their health, like puberty, relationships, and ways to prevent pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. So, let me tell you about some sexual and reproductive health services so you can access them when you need them. The condom has a double protection function. It protects us from unwanted pregnancy as well as sexually transmitted infections, including HIV. So, protecting yourself during sexual intercourse by using a condom is the most effective way to prevent both. Emergency contraception is recommended after unprotected sex or sexual assault to help prevent unintended pregnancy. It is most effective if it's taken within 24 hours of having sex, although it can be effective if taken up to 5 days. In the case of sexual assault, did you know there is a medication that can help prevent HIV transmission? Using what is called post-exposure prophylaxis, or PEP. PEP should be used only in emergency cases, and its use should be started within 3 days after unprotected sex. In crisis situations, regardless of where you are, there will be places where you can get sexual health services around you. This place can be an information center, for example, where you are now, or a school where there is a doctor who can provide help, or the nearest medical facility, or you can contact call centers. It can be tough to know who to talk to about sexual and reproductive health issues, and it might feel scary or even shameful to ask about sexually transmitted infections or unwanted pregnancies. That's why it is important to find a person whom you trust, a family member or a friend, or visit the nearest medical center to ask your questions or discuss your concerns. Always remember, sexual and reproductive health and rights are human rights. It doesn't matter whether you are in a crisis situation or not. You must have access to vital services.